Welcome to another episode of Myrddin's Kitchen. I'm Myrddin, and this is my kitchen. Today, we're going to make something I made a few weeks ago that I thought was just amazing. So here we go. These are the ingredients I'm working with. Some garden fresh tomatoes, Roma, some other ones that Mike and Teresa gave me. White onion, hot Italian sausage, peppercorn medley, red pepper, farfalle noodles, and baby spinach. Alright, got the onions caramelizing. I'm going to throw in the noodles as soon as that's boiling. Got my tomatoes all blended up. And get out of here pretty soon. Alright, the sausage is looking good. Noodles are about done. Just mix everything together and see how it turns out. Oh, I need to put the spinach in. Oh, I forgot to mention I threw in 2 cans of those. Oh yeah, look at that. Serve this bad boy up. Alright, well, let's see how this second batch turned out. Oh yeah, that's pretty good. Yeah, I highly recommend this. The fresh tomatoes, the spicy sausage, the farfalle noodles. Excellent. Well, I guess I'll see you on the next episode. Whenever that will be.